I would like to give you a quick tour how to integrate openHAB and IntelliJ together, because yet another time there is someone complaining how difficult it is to set up Eclipse, and I get that Eclipse is kind of beast which is fairly complicated. So this time I will try to do everything with IntelliJ, doing lots of things manually, but hopefully in a reliable way, so you can repeat it and get it running without the Eclipse. So a short disclaimer, this thing is manual, meaning it will work for you most of the time and it will not depend on any external tool except Git, Maven and all the other things which you need to install. But this is a beginning of the setup which you should complete before you start watching this video. If you completed that, you are free to go. So let's go to first thing which you need to fetch from GitHub. This is openHAB core, and I will just make a new dir into which I will clone it. And yeah, openHAB core is the first repository which you need. It's not the biggest one, but it is one of the most important ones. Then there is openHAB add-ons, web UI, distro, and all these together are very important. And I will skip add-ons because it is definitely too big and it will take too long to check it out during this screencast. But you can do it and add it on your own. So I will add additionally the web UI and then distro. So distro is the repository which will build you a complete assembly of openHAB. Per se, you don't need to download any existing openHAB binary, but I will do it just for convenience. If the distro build doesn't work, I will show you how to get this done with openHAB. So here, this is the openHAB download page. I just ignore this beginning. I choose the 250M2 and go to runtime. So the runtime will be our executable, and it should be in a minute. So before it gets there, I will show you the JetBrains toolbox, and the toolbox is a very convenient way to install IntelliJ in various forms. So there is an IntelliJ community which you can install in several versions. If you are a newcomer, I recommend you going with something which isn't a preview. The preview might be unstable, so best way for you most likely will be using the 2019 2.1. I have the preview of IntelliJ Ultimate, and that's the version which I will launch. And there are also some projects which I've run before, so I will not open those right now. But this is the thing which you need in order to import the projects. And yeah, here we have openHAB core, web UI, and distro. Normally you need also to copy openHAB add-ons, but I won't do it because it takes too much time. So I will now copy a POM file which will allow me to import all these projects together. So here you can see this is some artificial POM file, nothing special, it's only for importing purposes. So I will import openHAB core. I will comment out openHAB add-ons because I don't have it, but you might uncomment it if you check it out. And after that, you can go to your IntelliJ.